Last month, just last month, we made a very historic achievement. Yay!
Yeah, hooray.
Yay!
Hooray.
Let's talk about that. That we made the Voice of Domestic Workers together with Waling Waling made history by forming the Domestic Workers branch
Branch.
within Unite the Union. Yeah. So, Grace, I think you can answer this question because you've been in the trade union working group for so many years, for the past years. So, how do you think that having this branch, that domestic workers branch, inspire other women around the world who are facing similar struggles? Why? Because why I say around the world, because the domestic workers branch in Unite the Union is the first ever domestic workers branch of trade union worldwide. So, how do you think that we inspire other women workers that also facing similar struggles, Grace?
For the start, no human being should be treated as a slave. Yeah, we deserve to be treated as a human being. That it includes as a domestic worker. For the first time in the history, I can tell, because we work hard for this for how many years to make our own brands. The formation of the migrant domestic worker brands within the Unite the Union is a powerful example of how marginalized workers can organize and demand their rights. It's inspire other women workers facing similar struggle by demonstrating the power of the collective action and solidarity,
Mhm.
so that even in precarious employment, workers can build power and achieve meaningful change.
So yeah, that's you have a point there, Gracie. And another thing is, uh, because we are domestic workers and we often work alone in private homes,
Mm.
it's really hard for us to join together and fight to be in the movement. You know, um, and there are also employers when they found out that you are a member of the union, they will blacklist you.
Yeah, they are afraid
Yeah,
because they know that you have already arrived.
yeah.
But the thing is, because I want to ask them, to everyone, that we were going to speak up about this, that they ratify the ILO, yeah, C189, because that is only the way that the domestic worker to be have a rights by laws, protected by laws, I mean.
I think in addition, about the forming of this union, I think situation around the world, or not only women, but
The
those
workers.
who are in
Yeah.
similar situation, I think might see this as yeah, might see this own union as well, or support networks, knowing they are not alone in their struggles.
Mm.
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
can
you're
have
right.
Yes.
yeah